Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic genetic lines in 3D. Question is given, find the equation to the generators of the hyperboloid x square upon a square plus of y square upon b square minus of z square upon c square is equal to 1, which passes through the points a cos alpha, comma b sin alpha, comma 0. Let's solve the problem. Given hyperboloid is x square by a square plus of y square upon b square minus of z square upon c square. Let this equation 1. And we have to find the equation of any line passes through the given points. Equation of any line passes through the given points. Point is given, this is a cos alpha, comma b sin alpha, comma 0. So we have to write the equation of line passes through the given points. This is given by x minus of a cos alpha upon L is equal to y minus b sin alpha upon m is equal to z minus of 0 upon c. Let this is equal to r. Here Lmn is the ratio of the direction ratio. This is n. Let this equation 1. And further from here we have to calculate the value of x, y and z. So we have to first calculate x minus of a cos alpha upon L taking equal to r. L multiply with r, this gives x minus of cos alpha is equal to Lr and x is equal to Lr plus of cos alpha. Minus of cos alpha is taken to right hand side. This is the value of x. Similarly we have to find the value of y. This gives y minus of b sin alpha upon m is equal to r. M multiply with r, this gives y minus of b sin alpha is equal to mr, and b sin alpha minus of b sin alpha taken to right hand side, this gives y is equal to mr plus of b sin alpha. This is the value of y. Similarly we have to calculate the value of z here. This gives z minus of 0 upon n is equal to r, and multiply with r, this gives z is equal to nr. And if this point x, y, z lies on the given paraboloid, if this point lies on the given paraboloid, then we have to put the value of x, y and z in the given paraboloid. This gives Lr plus of cos alpha का whole square upon a square, sorry, this is a square plus of, we have to put the value of y here, this is mr plus of b sin alpha का whole square upon b square minus of, here z is equal to nr, so we have to put in place of nr here. This gives nr का whole square upon c square is equal to 1. And further we have to simplify. We can open Lr plus of cos alpha का whole square. This gives L square into r square plus of cos square alpha plus of 2 Lr cos alpha upon a square. Similarly we have to open mr plus of b sin alpha का whole square. This gives m square into r square plus of, once again here is x minus of a cos alpha, so we have to write here once again x minus of a cos alpha. So we have to write here LR plus of A cos alpha, and we have to put in here LR plus of cos alpha ka whole square. Once again, LR plus of A cos alpha ka whole square. Open, this gives, here is A square plus of A square into cos square alpha plus of 2LR into A cos alpha. Similarly, we have to open MR plus B sin alpha whole square. This gives M square into R square plus of B square into sin square alpha, and plus of 2AB we get here plus of 2M into R into B sin alpha upon B square, and last is NR का whole square we have to open. This gives N square into R square upon C square is equal to 1, and further we can take each part of numerator is equal to A square. This gives upon in A square, this gives L square into R square upon A square plus of A square into cos square alpha upon A square plus of 2LR A cos alpha upon A. Similarly, we have to take from here, we can also, each numerator is taken upon B square. This gives plus of M square into R square upon B square plus of B square into sin square alpha upon B square plus of 2MRB sin alpha upon B square, and here is minus of N square into R square upon C square is equal to 1, and from here we have to cancel out the term. A square to A square is cancelled out, and here is A to A is cancelled out, and here is B square to B square is cancelled out, and from here we have to cancel out once again. Here is A square, so we have to remaining is here A, and B square to B is cancelled out, remaining is here B, and so we have to write the further equation here once again. We have to writing here, this is L square into R square upon A square, and we have to writing plus of M square into R square upon B square, and minus of N square into R square upon C square, and remaining is plus of here cos square alpha upon A. Sorry, remaining is here only cos square alpha. A square to A square is cancelled out, cos square alpha, and here is plus of 2 into LR cos alpha upon A, and here is plus of sin square alpha and plus of 2MR sin alpha upon B is equal to 1, and from here cos square alpha plus of sin square alpha we have to put from trigonometry 1. We know that sin square alpha plus of cos square alpha is 1 from trigonometry, so we have to put in place of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So remaining is here, from this three part we have to take common R square. This gives L square upon A square plus of M square upon B square minus of n square upon c square. We have to take common from here r square, and we get from here we can also take common once again 2lr cos alpha plus of 2mr sin alpha upon b. We have to take common once again. Take common r. This gives 2l upon a cos alpha plus of 2m upon b sin alpha into r, and here is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, so we have to put in here 1 is equal to 1 is taken into equal to this side, this gives 0, then remaining is here, n square upon a square plus of m square upon b square plus of minus of n square upon c square into r square plus, here we can also take once again 2 alpha 2l upon a cos alpha plus of 2m upon b sin alpha into r, and 1 is taken to right hand side, this gives 0. Let this equation third. If equation 1 will be generator of equation third, so we have to put the coefficient of r square and coefficient of r is equal to 0. If equation 1 will be the generator, then we have to put coefficient of r square and coefficient of r is taken equal to 0. This gives l square upon a square plus of m square upon b square minus of n square upon c square is equal to 0. Let this equation fourth, and 2l upon a cos alpha plus of 2m upon b sin alpha is taken equal to 0. Let this equation fifth, and solving we get the equation of generating lines from equation fifth. From equation fifth we can take here 2l upon a cos alpha is equal to 2l. Once again we have 2l upon a and 2mb. Once again we have to take here, this here is not b, only 2m upon b sin alpha. So we have to write here 2l upon a cos alpha is equal to 2m upon b sin alpha is taken to right hand side, this gives minus of 2m upon b sin alpha, and from here 2 to 2 is cancelled out, then the remaining is here, this is l by a cos alpha is equal to minus of m by b sin alpha, and we can also write here, once again we can writing this l by a, once again we can also write here l by a upon a sin alpha. Sin alpha is taken to denominator of l cos alpha, and we can also write here minus of m upon here cos alpha is taken to denominator of b, so we have to write here b cos alpha, here is minus, and when we know if 2 ratio is given, then we have to find the third ratio with the help of, once again, we can also write this is l by a upon sin alpha is equal to m by b upon minus of cos alpha. If two ratio are given, then we have to find third ratio. Third ratio is given by plus minus of under root of coefficient. Here is the square of the numerator. This is L square upon A square plus of the second numerator square of the second ratio. This is M square upon B square upon under root of the denominator square. This is L upon A, denominator is sin square alpha, plus of denominator of M upon B is minus of cos alpha. On squaring, this gives cos square alpha. We know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, and we have to put here the value of L square upon A square plus of M square upon B square from equation 4th. From equation 4th, we can also write here L square upon A square plus of M square upon B square is equal to N square upon C square. So we have to put here, in place of L square upon A square plus M square upon B square, we have to put N square upon C square. So we have to write in here plus minus of under root of N square upon C square. And the value of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. And further we can also take from here, this is plus minus of N upon C taken from the square root. And further we have to write generating lines of the equation with the help of the following ratio. Here we can also write here, this is L upon A sin alpha, and this is M upon minus of B cos alpha is equal to, here we have to write here plus minus of N upon C. And with the help of, this is the direction ratio here, A sin alpha minus of B cos alpha and C. With the help of, we have to write the generating lines of the equation. We have to write first generating lines of equation. This is, once again we have to write in once again. Generating lines of equation are given by, this is x minus of A cos alpha upon, here the value of L is A sin alpha is equal to, here is y minus of B sin alpha upon, here the value of M is here minus of B cos alpha. Similarly we have to write for z function, this is z upon, once again z minus of 0, the value of n is here C, so we have plus minus of C, so we have to write here plus minus of C. This is the generating lines of the given equation. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.